What's up mga siligang? It's your host here, Ravhen Grageda, with another video. And in today's video, I am going to review a budget wireless earbuds, which is the Haylou GT1. So the Haylou GT1 is a budget true wireless earbud that will not hurt your wallet. So let's proceed to the core of this video, the sound quality. I've already been using these earbuds for 2 weeks since its arrival, and I've noticed that the bass is a little bit punchy, but the extra punch fills the music without destroying the music and making it bass boosted, and its vocals are engaging. And in that case, I would say that the Haylou GT1 has the best sound quality for its price. I repeat, for its price. Next on our list is build quality. It's all plastic, as you know, but it's okay for being the price offered. The case has a magnet that will fill your satisfaction with satisfying sound of it closing. Also, the earbuds have magnet for it not to fall off if you accidentally open the case without you knowing. And if you might ask, will the earbuds break if you drop? My answer is it depends. For my experience, it's durable enough to withstand drops because I dropped it once and my sister also dropped it with force because she was into the game, and when she was about to wear it but still did not break. But it is not advisable that you will drop it. By the way, the case is small enough to fit in your pocket so you can carry it throughout your day. Next is battery life. The earbuds can last up to 4 hours and can be full within 1 hour and 30 minutes, with the case capable of fully charging the earbuds up to 4 times. So you can go whenever you want without worrying about your case getting low bat. It can take 2 hours for you to fully charge the case with the included micro USB cable without a charging brick. And I know, why not Type-C, but for the price, I'm fine with it. Moving on to the controls. It's 1 tap to play, 2 taps to next track or previous and to answer calls, and 3 taps to trigger voice assistant like Siri, Google, or Cortana. And that's all for the controls. But not everything is perfect, so I have problems with this too. I've encountered when I'm pairing it with my device, the other earbud will not pair, but it can be fixed by putting it back in the case and pairing it again, or by factory resetting it. It is no big deal for its price. In conclusion, would I recommend this budget true wireless earbuds? The answer is yes. For the price of $20, it is a great deal compared to other wireless earbuds. That's it. That will wrap up my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content like this. Sinigang out!